Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a top choice for beginner to intermediate players seeking a lightweight, powerful, and user-friendly racket. Designed with advanced materials, the T.S6 features a titanium and graphite fiber construction, offering an excellent blend of durability, strength, and comfort. This combination makes the racket very light, approximately 8.9 ounces unstrung, reducing arm fatigue and enhancing maneuverability, especially helpful during long matches or training sessions. The racket has an oversized 115 square inch head, providing a large sweet spot that makes it more forgiving on off-center hits. This is ideal for players still developing consistency and control. The extra-large head also contributes to more power, helping players generate strong shots with less effort. With a head-heavy balance, the T.S6 delivers added power on serves and ground strokes while still offering decent control. Its open string pattern, 16x19, allows for more spin potential, helping players put extra topspin or slice on the ball. The racket's length, 27.75 inches, gives extended reach and leverage, further improving power and spin generation. Comfort is another key feature, as the racket's lightweight frame reduces strain on the wrist, elbow, and shoulder, making it a solid option for players prone to tennis elbow or seeking an arm-friendly racket. The racket comes pre-strung, which adds convenience for players who want to get on the court right away without customization. Overall, the Head T.S6 stands out for its power, comfort, and ease of use. It's particularly well suited for recreational players and improving intermediates who need help generating power and who appreciate a racket that's light, comfortable, and forgiving. While advanced players may seek more control or feel, the T.S6 remains a popular, highly rated racket for casual and competitive play alike. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th generation tennis racket is a powerful and well-balanced option ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want a blend of speed, spin, and control. Known for its signature isometric head shape, the E-Zone 100 offers a more forgiving sweet spot compared to traditional oval rackets. The 100 square-in head size provides a balanced mix of power and precision, making it versatile across playing styles. Weighing approximately 11.2 ounces, strung, and featuring a standard 27-inch length, the racket offers great maneuverability without sacrificing stability. It has a slightly headlight balance, which enhances control and racket head speed, aiding aggressive baseline play and quick net exchanges. One of the standout features is the updated 2G NAM speed graphite in the shaft, which improves frame flexibility and snapback for added power and feel. Combined with vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, the E-Zone 100 effectively absorbs shock and minimizes vibration, enhancing comfort and reducing the risk of arm fatigue or injury. The 16x19 open string pattern allows players to generate ample topspin and slice, especially from the baseline. Whether hitting ground strokes, serving, or returning, the racket feels responsive and controlled while still offering explosive potential when needed. The 7th Gen E-Zone 100 also sports a sleek new cosmetic design with a dark blue colorway and clean lines, appealing to style-conscious players. It's used by professionals and competitive amateurs alike, appreciated for its ability to deliver strong performance without being overly demanding. In summary, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is a dynamic, spin-friendly, and power-oriented racket with impressive comfort and control. It's a great fit for all court players looking to upgrade their game with a modern, well-engineered frame that doesn't compromise on feel or playability. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a high-performance racket designed for advanced and intermediate players seeking control, feel, and spin-friendly precision. Part of the popular Blade series, the V9 model features several performance updates while maintaining the signature responsive feel the line is known for. This version of the Blade 98 sports a 16x19 string pattern, offering a great balance between control and spin potential. The 98 square inch head size provides a smaller sweet spot for improved shot placement and precision, ideal for aggressive baseliners who prefer to dictate play with clean, accurate strokes. The racket's unstrung weight is approximately 305 grams, 10.8 ounces, giving it a solid yet maneuverable feel for confident swings and improved stability on impact. The V9 introduces stable feel technology, enhancing frame stability and feedback, which benefits players who value consistent responses and greater connection to the ball. This innovation also contributes to the racket's improved torsional stability during powerful exchanges. The updated design features a sleek emerald night green cosmetic with a modern, minimalistic aesthetic. Built with braided graphite plus basalt construction, the Blade V9 emphasizes flexibility and dwell time, allowing for enhanced control and touch. The racket also incorporates direct connect technology, fusing the carbon fiber handle to the end cap for added feel and torsional stability. Available in grip sizes 1 through 4, 4 1/8 inches to 4 1/2 inches, the Blade 98 V9 suits a wide range of hand sizes. It's a favorite among competitive players who enjoy an aggressive playing style and want a racket that supports both baseline rallies and all-court versatility. In summary, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is ideal for players seeking a control-oriented racket with improved feel, stability, and spin, wrapped in a sleek, performance-driven design. Number 4. Best Tennis Racket for Power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a modern power racket designed for aggressive baseline players who want explosive performance without sacrificing control or feel. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, it strikes a balance between power, maneuverability, and stability, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced players. Key features include a 100 square inch head size and a 16x19 string pattern, offering a blend of forgiveness and spin potential. The racket is constructed with Solinco's Power Flex Zone and liquid crystal technology, which enhances stability, dampens vibrations, and improves the overall feel. The beam width of 23.5 mm/26 mm/23.5 mm gives it a firm and responsive character, contributing to the racket's easy power. On court, the Blackout 300 excels in delivering penetrating ground strokes with a crisp feel. The open string pattern and lively frame generate excellent spin, making it easy to push opponents back or change direction mid-rally. At net, it offers quick handling and decent touch for volleys. On serves, it provides solid pop and enough spin to mix things up. One of the standout qualities of the Blackout 300 is its versatility. It can accommodate both flat hitters and spin-heavy players. While it leans toward the power side, it doesn't feel out of control, thanks to its stable construction and balanced specs. In summary, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a dynamic all-court racket that brings together power, spin, and playability in a well-balanced frame. It's an appealing option for players looking for a powerful yet controlled racket that performs well from all areas of the court. Whether you're hitting heavy topspin or flattening out shots, the Blackout 300 delivers a fast, modern feel that supports an aggressive style of play. Number 5. Best Tennis Racket for Control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players who prioritize precision, control, and feel. Part of Wilson's iconic Pro Staff line, which has been endorsed by legends like Roger Federer, the V14, version 14, maintains the series' traditional values while incorporating modern updates for today's game. Weighing 315 grams, unstrung, and featuring a 97 square inch head size, the racket offers excellent stability and control, especially for players with a full, fast swing. The 16 by 19 string pattern provides a balance between spin potential and responsiveness. With a beam width of 21.5 mm, it delivers a classic, thin profile that enhances feel and touch. One of the standout updates in the V14 is the braid 45 construction, where graphite and aramid fibers are braided at a 45-degree angle. This improves the racket's pocketing and response while maintaining the Pro Staff's signature control-oriented feel. The paradigm bending technology helps fine-tune flex in the shaft and hoop, optimizing power and precision during impact. The racket's design is sleek and modern, with a rich earth-toned copper finish that blends elegance and performance. It's unstrung, allowing players to customize string type and tension to suit their playing style. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players, the Pro Staff 97 V14 thrives in the hands of aggressive baseliners, all-court players, and those who like to dictate play with precision. While it may not offer the forgiveness or power of larger, lighter frames, it rewards players who can generate their own pace and demand accuracy from their equipment. In summary, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a modern classic, a precision tool built for serious players seeking ultimate feel, control, and heritage-inspired performance on the court.